Aaron Meyer's book, The Culture Map, delves into various dimensions of intercultural communication, including the concept of low-context versus high-context cultures. This concept is crucial for understanding how communication styles and the interpretation of messages differ across cultures, affecting everything from business negotiations to everyday interactions. In low-context cultures, communication is explicit, and messages are conveyed directly through words. The emphasis is on clear, precise, and detailed communication. People say exactly what they mean, and there is little need to read between the lines or interpret beyond the spoken or written word. Context or shared knowledge is less important because the message contains all the necessary information. Countries typically associated with low-context communication include the United States, Germany, and the Scandinavian countries, where straightforwardness and clarity are valued. Conversely, high-context cultures rely heavily on the context surrounding the communication, including nonverbal cues, the status of the individuals involved, and the relationship between them, to fully understand the message. Communication in these cultures is indirect, and the listener is expected to read between the lines or understand the unsaid to grasp the full meaning of the message. High-context cultures often have a shared understanding based on common backgrounds and experiences, making it unnecessary to convey every detail explicitly. Examples of high-context cultures include Japan, China, and many Arab countries, where understanding the implied message is an essential part of communication. Understanding the distinction between low-context and high-context cultures is vital for effective cross-cultural communication, especially in a globalized world. It influences how information is shared, decisions are made, and conflicts are resolved. For example, in a business setting. In high-context cultures, much of the negotiation process might occur through implied understanding and nonverbal cues, whereas in low-context cultures, negotiations are more likely to be explicit and detailed. Teams from high-context cultures might rely on implicit understanding and common ground, making fewer verbal confirmations, while teams from low-context cultures may prefer explicit verbal agreements to ensure clarity. Managers from low-context cultures might provide detailed instructions and feedback directly, while those from high-context cultures may offer guidance in a more subtle manner, expecting employees to infer the specifics. For individuals working across cultures, recognizing and adapting to these communication styles is crucial for building trust, avoiding misunderstandings, and ensuring successful collaboration. Meyer's framework provides a lens through which to view and navigate the complex terrain of international communication, enhancing our ability to connect, collaborate, and work effectively in a global context.